Hi and welcome back. After learning everything about the frame tool and the shapes tool, let's see how to work with text in Figma. So let's take a closer look at the type tool. So here in the toolbar, we have our text tool. If you want to create a new text layer, just click on an area of your canvas. You can also click and drag to draw a text box. Now to change the settings of our text layers, for example, let's change our text font face. So we can choose from different Google Fonts. So Figma has Google Fonts integrated, so you don't have to install anything. If you want to change the layer width, so let's pick this font face and change the layer width under the font face. We can increase the size. Let's go back to bold, increase the font size. Let's pick our paragraph. Here is our line height. Let's go 13. This is our letter spacing. Next, we can distribute our text to one line, and here we can make it auto height our text. If we add more text, our text box will follow. And here is fixed height. We tell our text to stay in the box that we defined earlier. Next, we can align our text to left, center, and right. And in this more setting icon, we can have more options. This is the upper cases, lower cases, and title cases. We can change our text into a list item. We can also play with the width. Next, Figma has cool feature, which is to transform your text layers into a clickable link. Let's add a link to our title. Let's go to the top bar and hit create link and go and copy this YouTube link and paste it here. Click enter, and here our link is clickable. So if we hover our text, hit open link, and here we have an external link integrated inside our file. So that's all for this section. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to open Figma plugins and use widgets. Thanks, and I will see you in the next lesson.